Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to verify election certification. Just tap on browser and visit this official website of nas.org. Election certification refers to the procedure of election officials attesting that the election results are a true and accurate accounting of all votes and cast in. So importantly, the results reported on election night are not finally even through the media any call of projected winner or race. Only election officials provide official election results. There are several step elections officials complete before they certify final election results. So the figure below outline the typical procedure election official perform before final official results are certified. Not all judges and follow each procedure outline, or they may conduct them in a different order. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.